Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the 5 vowels. But before I tell you what the 5 vowels are, let me ask you a couple of questions. If I see apple, does it sound good to say a apple or an apple? Of course, an apple sounds good. And if I have an orange, I also say an orange. I don't say a orange. So let me tell you a little story about the 5 vowels and a and an. Once upon a time, there was a lady. Her name is Mommy Ann. Her name is Mommy Ann. Mommy Ann has 5 little children. She has 5 little children. Let me tell you their names. The first one is A, E, I, O, and U. So the names of the 5 little children, A, E, I, O, U. I want you to see, look at them here. They are very happy because they always want to be with their mommy. When they are away with their mommy, they are always sad. And we have here Mr. A. We have Mr. A. Mr. A has 21 children. They are the rest of the letters. The five letters here, A. The 5 letters here, A, E, I, O, U, are the children of Mommy Ann, while the other letters, all of them are the children of Mr. A. Okay, so whenever you see a word that has A, there should be Mommy Ann. Whenever you see a word that starts with letter E, you will see Mommy Ann. The same with I, the same with O and U. Let's see here how we're gonna make it. Okay, this is the first exercise. They ask us to write the 5 vowels. Remember, what were the 5 vowels? The first one was A. Second one was E, the 5 little children. I, O, U. Who is with them all the time? Mommy Ann. Okay, Mommy Ann. Okay, let's see this exercise here. We have to say the first letter of this. What's that? It's a desk. What's the first sound in desk? D, D. It's D. Is D one of the 5 vowels? Is it A or E or I or O or U? No, it isn't. So which one we're gonna circle here? Mr. A or Mommy Ann? Okay, Mr. A, because D is one of the children of Mr. A, not Mommy Ann. Now here, what's this? It's a monkey. Monkey. Tell me what's the first sound in monkey? It's M, which is letter M. I have to ask myself, is it one of the 5 vowels or no? No, it is not. So we're gonna circle, yes, Mr. A. Let's move to the other picture here. What's this? It's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. U. Ask yourself, is U one of the 5 vowels? What are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So U is one of the 5 vowels. We are gonna circle Mr. A or Mommy Ann. Gonna circle Mommy Ann, yes, because U is one of the 5 children of Mommy Ann. Let's see here. Shark. Shark starts with letter S. Is S one of the 5 vowels? Is it A, E, I, O, U? No, it's not. So we're gonna circle which one, Mr. A or Mommy Ann? Okay, Mr. A, of course. Let's move to the other picture here. It's igloo. Igloo. Remember what's the sound, the first sound in igloo? E, it's letter I, of course. Is I of the 5 one of the 5 vowels? Let's say them again. A, E, I. Yes, it's one of the 5 vowels. So we're gonna circle who's the mommy of the 5 vowels. Mommy Ann, of course. Yes. Let's see here. This is a. Tell me. Yes. Chick. Chick. Chick starts with letter C. Is C one of the 5 vowels? Let's say them. A, E, I, O, U. So C is not one of the 5 vowels. It's not one of the kids of Mommy Ann. So it's one of the kids of Mr. A. Let's move to another exercise. Okay, they ask us to put A or an. In this exercise, we're gonna circle the first letter. You have to circle the first letter, in this case letter S, and ask yourself, is S one of the 5 vowels? Is it A, E, I, O, U? No, it's not among one of the vowels. Okay, so we put Mr. A. Let's go here. Hat, let's circle the first letter. Okay, of course H is not one of the 5 vowels, so it takes Mr. A. Is C one of the 5 vowels? Is it A, E, I, O, U? No, it is not. So we would put Mr. A. Here again, we circle the first letter, which is E. Is E one of the 5 vowels? A, E, it is. So who's the mom of the 5 vowels? Mommy Ann. Okay, let's circle here the first letter in apple, which is A. Is A one of the 5 vowels? Yes, it is. A, the first one. So we put, again, Mommy Ann. Let's move to this word, fan. We circle the first letter, which is F. Okay, is F one of the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. I didn't say F. So we will put Mr. A. Okay, let's go to the other exercise here. Bag, circle the first letter, B. Is B one of the 5 vowels? Ask yourself this question, always. B is not one of the 5 vowels? Gonna put Mr. A. Again here for orange, circle the O, which is the first letter. Is O one of the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O. Yes. So their mommy is Mommy Ann. The same here. Ink bottle. I will circle the first letter, which is I. Is I of the 5 vowels? A, E, I. Yes, it is. Their mommy is Mommy Ann. That was all. I will leave you now with a very short song about the 5 vowels, the 5 children of Mommy Ann.